Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good Thursday afternoon. Well, this is the calm before the storm. Keep in mind it's still coming with a lot of wind this afternoon, but we are going to have a mix of sun and clouds. So starting off early with some sunshine, we are going to see those temperatures warmer than they were yesterday, touched into those mid to upper 60s. So a great afternoon. It is going to be dry, but keep in mind those winds, yeah, they're going to be an issue. They're gusting up to about 25 miles per hour, but tomorrow, that's when they're going to kick up gusts up to 40 miles per hour out of the southeasterly direction. That southeast wind is just going to stay with us for a couple of days. So the quiet day is today, but we do have a yellow alert day in effect for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We do have chances for strong to severe storms on each of those days, and also heavy rain, which could lead to some urban flooding, some flash flooding. So just be aware of that as you're going to be out and about around town. So first things first, let's discuss tomorrow. Tomorrow, there's going to be a couple of rounds of rain likely. One is going to begin the day with showers and storms, not expected to be severe. Could be some more showers and storms through the afternoon after a midday break. Those are not expected to be strong or severe, but then there is another round coming late into the overnight hours. That is the one that has the potential to be strong to severe. Hail and wind being the primary threats. By the time the storm system gets to us, it's really going to dwindle the tornado threat. The biggest threat is down to the southwest, where they're going to be seeing those storms move through prime daytime heating. Not the case for us. So let's play this out this afternoon. We are going to have sunshine, a couple clouds mixing in here or there, but overall dry. It's the overnight hours. We'll see the clouds build in as we head towards daybreak tomorrow. That's when we're going to start to see the rain starts to move from west to east across the area, with those storms really starting to bubble up as we get to the bus stop time frame, unfortunately. So you are going to have to contend with some storms going into work tomorrow. Could be a brief break in the rain in the early afternoon hours, with additional showers and thunderstorms developing in the evening. Keep in mind, these are not expected to be severe either. Temperatures, they're not going to climb a ton tomorrow. We're going to see our temperatures knock back a bit into the 50s and 60s. Look out to the west, though. You see those purples? That's the line that we're starting to watch. That's going to move into western, eventually central Iowa. It's going to be most potent for western and central Iowa. It's going to start to lose its potency as it reaches our western counties. Keep in mind, initially these could be severe. They could reach that threshold, but as they continue to move off to the east, northeast, they do lose their potency. And then we do start on Saturday with a bit of a break. We could see some lingering showers for our far eastern counties, but by and large, we'll just have those partly sunny skies to begin the day Saturday. By Saturday afternoon, there is going to be another round of showers and thunderstorms developing. Hail, wind, all a possibility. There is still that secondary threat of an isolated tornado, so we will keep our eye on that. We are a level 2 across the entire area. And then finally, by Sunday, this has the lowest level of confidence. There is still the risk of seeing some severe weather. However, we have to see how Friday and Saturday play out, how worked over the environment is, to see if Sunday is going to still hold that potential for some severe weather. What is more confidence? We have more confidence in the rain forecast, 2 to 4 inches widespread across the area. Obviously, this is a lot to handle in a short time frame, so we are concerned about some ponding on those roadways. So you're going to want to take it slow if you're out and about driving across town. It is going to be it's going to be wet the next several days. Today is dry. Get lassie, walked, and outside as much as possible. You'll see a mix of sun and clouds with those temperatures comfortably in the 60s. Tonight, the clouds increase. It's not going to be until well after midnight that the showers and thunderstorms move into our western counties and then progress east towards daybreak. Our temperatures drop down into the 40s, but it's still going to be gusty overnight tonight. We continue with the shower and thunderstorm chances into Saturday, mainly an afternoon, evening event. Notice those temperatures really spike on Saturday. It's also coming with some sticky 60s for that dew point, so it is going to have a summery feel to it on Saturday. Sunday does look like several more hours of rainfall, and then by Monday could be some lingering rain early in the day, but then drying out towards the end, and then we bounce into May and bounce back into those 70s.